I've always loved words. Words hit harder than a punch, and you don't have to talk to the police after. I wrote my first poem up school. I was 9 year old. Gabble, the headmaster, seen me reading it and ripped it up in front of me. After that, he instituted a poetry corner. Anyone what writ a poem had to go and sit in the corner and punch himself in the face till break. It were rough up Toy Town School, but I'm hard enough now to write my own poems. So here's some of them for you. They're all read to you by me mate, Ard John, the secret writer. Don't tell his wife.
I can't. I can't get out. I'm trapped in a book. It wants me to writ it. Writ it in this voice and writ it good. I can't see out. I'm trapped in a book by this bloke, Lightning Pete Giffa, saying how hard he is and that. I never not been hardy, Gabs. It sets your poses like, what's a man? I can't find no answers. Just reads like tales of violence. Some bloke comes up, I hit him. Page 1056. Hanging. Don't leave me cliff, you hanger. You knobhead, you dick, you tit. Don't leave me cliff, you hanger. Tell me the next fucking bit. Portaloo. Go on, Giffa. Say it. Say you want a ruck. Gab something insulting. Come on, you ugly fuck. You think you're hard, but you ain't. I'll beat ya with me shoes. How dare ya? How dare ya? How dare ya? I'll chin ya with a Portaloo. I'll pick it up and throw it. Be a good lad and don't kin move. I really, really, really want to hit ya. I've got a point to prove. A romantic evening. I'm gonna hit the first bloke I see. First bloke I see looking at me. When I chin him, I'll break my wrist. I won't notice because I'm pissed. Who's that bloke over there? The bloke what won't meet me stare. I can tell, I can tell, I can tell he's frit. I bowl straight over, clenching me mitt.